Yes, ma'am, you are visible and audible both.
Okay, so let's start the session. Good afternoon and welcome to my YouTube channel, English with RVS.
Thank you so much and good afternoon to you as well.
How have you
Okay.
been? Tell me, how are you? How your day is going on?
I am doing really great. And what about you?
I'm pretty well. So far, no complaint, I would say. So tell me, how was your weekend? Saturday, Sunday? Have you planned something for the Saturday, Sunday?
No. Saturday, Sunday, I don't have any specific plan, but I go tuition Saturday and Sunday both. So I had
Mm-hmm.
tuition. So
Okay.
it's Monday. Yesterday I had tuition, so I spent a busy day, I can say. Even though it was weekend, I was not able to enjoy my time. Like I was
Oh,
not able to spend my time with myself because of my tuitions.
okay, but one thing is I would like to convey here that it's very important to pamper yourself, right?
Yeah, of
Try to
course.
try to sneak out some time for yourself so that you can also work on your personality, prove up yourself in that way. Okay, before we proceed, I'm keenly interested to know about yourself. So please feel free.
Of course, why not? Okay, ma'am, as you can see that my name is Piali De and I am from West Bengal and I have completed my post-graduation in English. Currently, I am pursuing my B.Ed. And apart from
Mm-hmm.
that, I teach two students, like they are little children. So I
Mm-hmm.
give them home tuition. And recently, I have created a YouTube channel. You know already, I think you have visited my channel. So
Yes.
that's all about me. Yeah, if I talk about my hobbies, then I like to listen to music. I like to watch two movies. And sometimes whenever I get time, I paint some pictures from YouTube.
Oh wow, great to know that. Okay, so I'm all ears to know. The Piali is a beautiful name, Piali, right? So I
I have
want that. What is the meaning of Piali? It seems like very rhythmic word.
Oh, yeah. Actually, it's Bengali name. That's why it seems like very rhythmic, and Bengali language is very sweet, you know. So
I know,
that's
I
why
know.
you feel, yeah, that's why you feel like that it's very rhythmic. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, there is no specific meaning, but I have read in my class 8 in geography book that
Mm-hmm.
there is a river named Piali, but I
Okay.
am not well aware about that. Yeah, but if I talk about the reason behind giving this name, so then I must say that in my family members, I live in a joint family, so my cousins, their names are also ending with Dipali, Samoli, Sefali, so like that. So
All
they,
I,
so they just, yeah,
that's why
so they just, yeah, that's why they gave my name as Piali.
that's great. That's you are actually complimenting each other with the beautiful names.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So let me just introduce myself also, right?
yeah.
My name is Rekha. My name is Rekha Sharma, and I live in the I live in the city, Faridabad, and originally I'm from the Uttarakhand. And if I talk about my
Mhm.
education qualification, I'm BCom, BA, and CTET qualified from Delhi only. And yeah, and apart from this, I'm also running a YouTube channel that is all about English. And yes, that's me all about.
Okay. Okay, so ma'am, I have a question that as you said that you have qualified seated examination. So after that, did you try for getting any teaching jobs like AVS, NVS?
Yes, yes, yes. I tried. I tried. But the meantime, I got pregnant by twins baby. So I had to sacrifice
Okay.
that job. And now my kids are
Mm-hmm.
grown. They are 8 years old. So I thought, now I have a time. I have my me time. I need to, communicate. I need to communicate with the people. I need to hone on my communication skill. So I have created my YouTube channel and connecting with the ample of people. So nowadays that became actually my hobby, I would say.
Yeah, okay. So I am also appearing for seated examination this year. So that is on July 7th July.
Okay.
But I have no preparation. So I would like to get some suggestion from you that which kind of things you followed and like which book did you read for that?
I think every state has a different syllabus for seated exam, except this psychology. I think so, right? Because we have one.
No, it's not like that. No, I have applied for paper two, that is upper primary. So there are civics, geography, history, and English, child development and pedagogy. And apart from that, as my mother tongue is Bengali, so I have chosen Bengali language.
Okay. If I talk about my journey, how did I, cleared my CTET in one year? one go. I never took any classes for CTET. I have studied by my own. I only studied by the NCRT books. In
Yeah.
Delhi,
Okay.
we
Mhm.
always follow NCRT book for CTET. So I always indulge myself into the NCRT books. Never ever go for
Yeah.
another any kind of comprehension book and all
So
anything.
did you buy all those books or you read it from online?
No, I buy that. I bought it. I actually that time I bought it.
Mhm. Okay, okay. So I have also bought one book that is Success Master Seated, but that book is not good. I feel like that. So I'm
I
not
like.
able to get
I
interest.
all. I'll give you one advice here. If you want to clear your seated book, to always go for the textbook instead of that revision books and all that, because you have everything in the textbook, everything. So you need not to look here and there. You need not to like beat around the bushes,
Yeah.
right?
So as I don't know how to read Hindi language, so my version is English. So that's why I'm feeling a little bit difficulty because so many terms are there in geography. Or geography, we have read these terms in Bengali language, but now we have to memorize all those terms and bombastic vocabularies in English.
And
So it is very difficult.
geography actually itself having a very difficult language, right? But I never
Okay.
ever I am not fond of geography and social study because that time I had only, I think, English and commerce subject.
That's same here also. I'm not interested. I'm not interested to study geography, history, and civics. I'm interested to study child psychology and like these things I really like and English and my mother tongue Bengali. So I don't like social science, particularly those that part.
Like you told me that you have a mother tongue Bengali language. You didn't have actually Hindi language and all that. So tell me about something about your journey. How did you improve in this language and what kind of activities you have applied? You improved.
Okay. Okay. So if I talk about my journey, then I have to go to 2022. So maybe in the month of February or March, I started practicing spoken English. Actually, I have thought many times to improve my communication skill, but that time I went through some YouTube videos, but I did not get any practice partner. So one day I was talking to one of my friends, and she suggested me that why don't you improve your English? Like then I said that I don't have practice partner. Then she told me that I will help you to speak in English language. But and at that time she already knew how to speak in English language, so I got her. And apart from that, she suggested me to use some applications like that time SpeakPick application was there, Fluency and Open Talk Now. These kind of applications I have used, but I don't feel that those applications are really very helpful. If you get connected to a premium member, then it is helpful. Otherwise, if you get connected to a like who is not premium, in that case you will not have a long time conversation. So I feel that those are not really very useful. So I prefer to practice with that friend. I used to practice for 1 hour daily. But in the beginning
Hmm.
I used to in the beginning when I using application, fortunately I got one more practice partner there. So at the time I used to practice in English with that practice partner also. So maybe approximately 3 hours or 4 hours in a day I used to speak for 3 months continuously, and after that, after becoming intermediate, I am not able to maintain my consistency. So at that time we used to discuss about various topics like village life versus city life, love marriage versus arranged marriage, online study versus offline study, private job versus government job. So these kind of topics I have discussed. And apart from that, I have also followed one method, that is storytelling method. And I used to listen to
Hmm.
English videos. I used to listen to English videos. Even now also I listen English videos. Like I used to follow Sadhguru's channel, and I have watched many motivational videos like Sadhguru, and Gaur Gopal Das is also there. So I followed their channels to listen to English. And also like I have learned some idioms, and I follow Kanchan ma'am's channel to like learn some vocabularies, phrases, and idioms. So many things, but I did not need to learn grammar because I already knew grammar. So I did not learn grammar separately. So whatever grammar I knew, I just applied in my conversation. So this is how I have improved my English. But still, there is like I'm not able to cross this level. Like I am stuck in intermediate level. I'm not able to increase my level anymore. So actually, this
Hmm.
happens with everybody. Like now also, I'm not able to cross this level. But still, there is I'm not able to apply those things in real life conversation.
Hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. So you,
It's
like you said that, like you said that,